Hi, my name is Patricia Chapin. I'll be talking about overweight and obesity, a wake-up call for teens. Did you know that overweight and obesity is one of the major causes of death around the world today? Did you also know that individuals who are overweight or obese are prone to developing non-communicable diseases like stroke, diabetes, heart diseases, and some cancers? Yes. Overweight and obesity incidence has been rampant in recent years and has been a concern for public health professionals. Overweight and obesity affect both children and adults. Statistics indicate that from 1975 to date, over 1.9 billion people all over the world are overweight or obese. In 2016, almost 41 million children under the age of 5 were overweight and obese globally. In Ghana specifically, analysis indicates that up to 43% of Ghanaian adults is either obese or overweight. National estimations suggest that the number of people who are overweight and obese in Ghana are 25.4% and 17.1% respectively. The consistency of incidents in Ghana were observed from the year 1998 to 2016. The fundamental cause of overweight and obesity is related to the individual's lifestyle, though it was suggested that genetics, psychological factors, as well as some medication also play a role. Despite the fact that overweight and obesity is one of the major leading causes of death around the world as a result of its association with chronic diseases such as high cholesterol, diabetes, stroke, and more, majority of people still believe that not being overweight is a sign of poor nutrition. Can you imagine? Not long ago, I befriended a plus-size lady while doing my clinicals. A very nice lady. She reported to the hospital one day due to few symptoms she was experiencing, and she was diagnosed of diabetes. She was just 23 years old. It was the saddest moment for her and her family, you can imagine. In addition to developing non-communicable diseases, being overweight or obese is linked to developing severe problems affecting the psychological health of individuals. Therefore, it is important that we promote healthy living and reduce weight gain to prevent chronic diseases. How do we do that? We can do that by simply changing our lifestyles, being mindful of what and how we eat. We should engage more in physical activities. We can cut down on high cholesterol diets. We can avoid too much sugar sweetened drinks and choose more vegetables and fruits. Dear ladies, thank you very much for making time to listen to this message. You are all invited to add your voices to encourage people to choose healthy lifestyle to maintain healthy weight. Thank you very much. For more information, you can visit my website, Overweight and Obesity, for more information. You can equally read on the subjects on other websites to gain more knowledge. Thank you very much for listening to this message.